Okay, I'm going for another ride today. I have added this light. Somebody suggested that I add a light that flashed. However, if you can see, it's a broken light. It's not. It's not totally together. So I'm going to declare this light not a good light. So I'm going to disconnect it for right now. We'll disconnect the battery. It has a battery. So I will disconnect it. And I am going to take it off. And there. So here it is. It's a pretty cool light. Even though it's cracked, I turned it on to see what it does. And yeah. I think I'll like the light once it actually works. It's not quite as good right now. We'll put the light in here so it'll be waterproof. Since it's cracked, I'm afraid to actually leave it up there because if it rains, it's not supposed to rain today, but. And I'm going to put this here. And we will plug it in. Oh, I'm not going to plug that side in. Alright, and let's see if I can find the other end of this so I can plug my phone in. Alright, so I don't expect to use my phone, but I keep it with me anyway. It looked like it paused. Should it be pausing? Alright, well, I want to try again. I don't know why it pauses. Maybe I have an issue with the camera. It's always something. The camera didn't get fully charged even though I had it plugged in. Well, that's something new. Alright, so it looks like it still has plenty of room. If it would just stay on. I don't know how to make it stay on. Okay, this time I have, if you notice on the very back, I have a different bag. This bag here. The bag I had before, while I liked it a lot, still like it. In fact, I'll be using it. It's just that this bag actually holds my spare battery, and the other bag would not hold it. So in case you're looking for a bag that will hold the Aventon's spare battery, which is really huge, like 16 inches, nearly 16 inches, this bag does it. It's waterproof, so it's in good shape. And it also has a water bottle holder, which don't know what that really means. I don't know how many I need, since I'm not going on long trips yet. But with my two batteries, the reason I'm bringing this is not because I'm going to need it, but because I'm interested in how well it maintains its balance. And it's not maintaining it very well. So I'll have to maybe figure out a better method to strap it down. Okay, I'm not sure this is working. Which is not good. It looks like it just turns itself off. It hasn't been doing that. So, I don't know, maybe I got something wrong with this too. So, one of the things I talked about was whether 70-year-olds should own a e-bike. And we find out that I've been having nothing but issues. Now, of course, some of my issues are because I'm trying to record my experience with the e-bike. And some of the issues are the methods in which I try to record. and not the e-bike itself. So maybe I have to change that title to be a senior who's trying to do YouTubing. A lot of complicated stuff that you have to try to get all working together, and I've been failing. Alright, so I'm bringing my helmet out here. We'll put it on and get my gloves on. Okay, so to explain my trip agenda today, my main goal is to scout out an area to see if a route downtown is available. Now I don't want to go downtown, but there's some trails close to downtown that I'd like to get on and test out. They were made specifically for bikes, but from where I am at, it is not easy to get downtown. Alright, so even though I'm recording all of this, or maybe recording all this, I can't tell if I'm recording or not. Yeah, I got things to learn. But I'm going to go anyway and just hope I'm recording it. It looks like it's on pause, if a pause can actually happen. I'm having trouble turning on my battery again. Alright, doesn't look like I'm going anywhere because I can't get the battery working. I mean, I'm not even sure if I got my camera working. It's blinking. Should it be blinking? Alright, I want to take it inside before I leave and see if indeed the camera is recording. I don't know how to determine that. That's how inept I am with this camera at the moment. I'm sure I'll get better, but I haven't really spent the time. I've been doing other stuff. But I had a recording that started as recording, and then when I went to go look, it didn't record anything. And maybe this little blinking light means something like it's on pause. And the question is, why is it on pause? Is it something else that's broken? I don't know. The Garmin looks like it's working though. The bike does not look like it's working. So, without the bike working, I'm not going anywhere anyway, or not far. Alright, so hopefully everything is going to work as it should today. I'm going to scout out a place that hopefully allows me to get to downtown without going through a rough neighborhood. There's only one route, really, downtown at the moment. And it's on the street where this truck almost hit me. But it's on the legal part of the street where the trucks are allowed. There's parts of the neighborhood here trucks are not allowed if they're going through. So that illegal truck that tried to hit me was violating several laws, at least 3. But that doesn't do you any good if you've been hit. So I'm not quite as concerned about the violating the laws as avoiding being hit. Oh, drats. Alright, so this is my first fall on my bike. So I went too slow that I couldn't hold it up, strength. So let's do a circle and see if I can get this working again. I couldn't pedal it up the hill. And yes, we are on a hill. Alright, so didn't do anything to me, but I don't know if it didn't do anything to the bike. See if I can get this. My mirror was bent. I guess that stayed. Oh, looks like I have a slight problem with my fender, so let me go home see if I can fix it. And my gloves helped prevented me from injury, but apparently didn't prevent my bike from injury. It looks like the must be slightly off, so it'll probably be very simple to fix. So let's get underneath a tree here and see if I can fix it. See if I can figure out what's hitting. Sounds like something in the front, but I don't see anything that's close. Alright. So if I don't see where it's hitting, how can I fix it? Alright, let me just move it a little bit, see if I can figure it out. Let's get this on this is 0. Alright, always something. Always something. Alright, so today's thing's been canceled until I figure out what's going on here.